Well, hello folks, welcome to Hocking Street in Footscray. Come and check this out. An exquisite entry reveals a highly impressive ground floor domain which includes a large living room bringing the outdoors in, with rear French and sliding doors leading out to your secluded, light-filled entertainment courtyard. On the first floor, we have two grand bedrooms separated by an oversized bathroom with bathtub and double vanity. The west-facing bedroom has its own private balcony and built-in robes. The east-facing bedroom has its own balcony that leads out to a private Roman terrace overlooking the Western Oval and the Melbourne city skyline. My favourite aspect of this property is the second floor. It has its own private Roman rooftop terrace, a study office, and the master bedroom with its own private balcony, ensuite with built-in robes, a shower over bathtub and a double basin. Well folks, this is the best property in Footscray on the market right now. Don't miss out.